Hello everyone, so today we are solving another interesting problem number 515, find largest value in each tree row, and we have been given one root of a binary tree and we want to return largest value of each row of the tree, and the tree is zero index, so we have tree like this: 1 3 2 5 3 and 9, and we want every from every row we want to grab the maximum value and return it into answer. So we are going to traverse the tree as it is said in the problem, level by level, and to do level by level traversal, BFS is the best approach with queue data structure. And we'll have one queue data structure in which we'll add our nodes for processing. So this is our queue data structure. It takes first in, first out. So here we'll add the very first node for processing. So for the first time in the level, we'll add 1, and when we have 1, we'll cap the 1 out for processing, and we'll add this 1 value into our path list, and so that will give us the value of 1. And now we'll add the left subtree of the first node, root node, and the right subtree of the root node, and we'll bring out these two another for processing. And when we are getting out, and we will get out 3 for processing, we'll add its value into our another path that will create, and similarly we'll grab out 2 and we'll add its value into our root node into our path, and we'll add the left subtree of 3 and right sub 3 for processing, and similarly for 9, and similarly we'll grab all these 3 out from the list queue for processing and have them into our path list. And at the end, from these path, we'll grab out the maximum values one by one. So that will give us the maximum list that we want to create in the way that we wanted. So here we'll get 9, here this will get 1, this will give us 2, and this will give us 3, and we will collect all these values into our node, into our list, answer list. So now let's get into the coding part and see how we can write this problem. So the base case would be if the root is not none, then we'll immediately return empty list, and we need one queue data structure, which in Python is denoted by dq, which is w-ended queue, and we'll pass the root node to it, and we'll keep an answer list for our expected output. Now we'll start processing our queue. Well, queue is not none, and we want to go until the whole queue is processed. So now we want to grab out the node from the left hand side, so we'll do pop left, and from this node we want the path, so we need to declare one path. So that path would be an empty list initialized, and then in this path we want to append the node value that we have seen. And if the left subtree is not none, we want to add that into our queue for processing. So we'll add that. Similarly for the right subtree, we'll do that. And in the end, when we are getting out after the processing, we want to get the maximum value from the path that we have created for every uh, node that we have processed in every level, and in the end we want to return this answer that we have seen. Now let's run our solution and see how it performs. So it's append, not appendf. So it has been accepted. Now let's submit our solution and see how it does. So it is running fast. So the time complexity for this is O of n, because we are processing all nodes, and the space complexity is O of m. The maximum in the last row of the tree, and if we want we can reduce this space complexity further to O of 1 only. And to do that, what we can do is we can improve these solutions by, so what we'll do is here is we'll initialize on maximum value at minus infinity, and we'll compare the node value with this that we have right now. So here we want to, here we want to here we want maximum value, and compare the maximum value with the node value, and whichever is larger we want that. So this is node dot value, and in the end we want to append the maximum, we want to just append the maximum value that we have for each level. So this would also do the job that we are looking to do. So now let's run this. So this has also been working good, and submit it. So this has also been accepted. So that's how, these are the two ways, that's how we can solve this problem. I hope you are learning so much and I'm helping you guys in your interview journey. Please let me know if you have any particular problem that you want me to solve, and please like and subscribe to the channel. It helped me in creating more such awesome content for you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.